time for me to start my dog life. This is my dog life. Now where's that? I think I know what to do to escape. Dig, dig, dig. Oh man, that didn't really work. Yeah, it comes down work. Huh. What should I do? What should I do? What should I do inside this cage? There's nothing to do in this cage. No, come on, open up. No, the doggy sad. There's a owner right there. It's a human. Act quick. Act cute. What should I do? He's coming. He's coming. He's coming. He's coming. Make this into a dog. Yeah. Just need to put 2 bones right here. Just put this here. This right here. Make it nice and smooth. He's coming. He's coming. Gotta make a nice bone. Make it long. Make it long. Yeah, like this. And he's coming. He's coming. Yeah. Oh, come on. Make it smooth. Make it smooth. Yeah, smooth like this. Yeah. Perfect. Okay. That. Oh yeah. It didn't really work. Well, it was worth a try. What do I do with this now? I don't know what to do. Whoa. Do I hear someone say flies? Alright, that didn't really work. I'm gonna ask these people for a cat plushie for a second. Hey, can you give me a cat plushie for a sec? Yeah, can I have a cat plushie? Ow! 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 Alright, thank you. This cat really looks so nice. It's a little playful. Just a little playful. I guess I like the little cat. Come on, it's just so cute. What did I do to the poor cat? Oh, kitty, it's alive. It's alive.
Hey, driving me crazy.
Oh man, I killed the cat. Whoops. Oh, I think I'm gonna play on my phone. Something to do in this cage. I'm gonna call my buddy.